Welcome back, guys. And it's a beautiful morning, Saturday morning, so we are probably free today, no work. So, yeah, that's why we are still with our pigeons, and that's really good. So, I just cleaned the room, you guys can see. And what I did is I put rings on the three young birds, three babies that we actually had. I actually completely missed the track, how old they were. So yeah, it was pretty difficult to put the rings on their legs. So look at these. Look at these. Look like there are two cockbirds. That one was definitely a cockbird, the male bar, but the other one was his sister, the one with the red ring on her leg. And what I noticed today was that he was very showing off. So if that's a cockbird, we are very lucky because I do really love cockbirds. And considering the colors, we have that one that's all should be a cockbird too, because of the genetics things that I watch on different channels. So yeah, I'm not a genetics expert. So let's see what we have here is look at him. That's a ring. You can see Thunders 2021, and it's number 2. The number 1 is that one, and yeah, this little guy is number 2. So he actually grew quite much, considering I should have put rings on them earlier. And yeah, you can see I put rings on them too. You can see actually I don't really care which leg I put rings on, as long as I put rings on. Maybe if in future I decide to put it on one leg, but at the moment I'm not very concerned about which leg we should put rings on, because yeah, as long as there's a ring, we are good. So you can see the rings, and he's quite big, but that white one is definitely bigger. So yeah, sorry, my alarm started. And you can see they both are red checks. This one definitely is a red check, and that one is too, which I am so excited about. And yeah, they make a mess in the loft. Food's there, food's here, and she actually, if you guys can see, I don't want to disturb her, but they are babies. She's getting tame, and that's good, because she is now not trying to avoid me, but trying to shoo me off from her babies. So yeah, that was it. I hope they guys grow up well. And yeah, one thing I did was Johnny Kennel, Johnny Rich Kennel, I think that was the name. Sorry, I completely forgot it. Yeah, it was Rocky Ridge Kennel and Loft. He actually suggested me to let my birds out early in the morning because of the temperature. We have 46 degrees, 47 degrees. So what I did was I let them early, like at 6 a.m. or maybe early. and yeah, they definitely flew really well, and I'm really excited. I'm hoping to let them out on the same time every day, because this is the only time I can let them out, and the temperature is not very favorable to let them out on any other time. So yeah, that was the update. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.